Hey guys, today I wanted to dispel a myth, which is you're always going to get your money back or profit from any renovation you do to your home. Unfortunately, it's just not true. But I'm going to give you two guidelines to go by today that are surely going to give you the best chance of getting that top dollar for your home for your renovation. And the first one is finish it to a professional workman-like standard. So if you're painting the walls, make sure they're color matched and they're cut in correctly. If you're doing a kitchen, make sure your bench is level and everything is cut correctly and there's no gaps between, say, the sink and the bench top, because unfortunately buyers are just going to come in and see a renovation and they're going to say, I'm going to have to do it again because there's a few things wrong with it. And the second is make sure it appeals to the masses. If the masses want, grey walls and feature walls that aren't pink, yellow, green, all those kinds of crazy colors, unfortunately it may be your cup of tea. But if we're going to sell and we're going to appeal to the masses and get the most people through your home to get top dollar, you're going to have to go with a neutral color. And it's great if you're planning on living in your home for the next 30 years, paint the wall red, paint the wall green, but just keep in mind when you go to sell, it's not going to be everyone's cup of tea and you may have to change them back to a neutral color so we as agents can get you absolutely top dollar because you deserve it for your home. So I'll leave you with those two guidelines, guys. Hopefully this was helpful and enjoy renovating over the years. Talk to you soon. Bye.